This definitely helped the girly down there be more wet. And also sometimes I go in and sanitize the toys. So while I'm getting my life together, I wanted to give you guys all my favorite things of 2024, and I feel like this is a great way to wrap up the year. So let's get, I'm gonna start off with the thing that I have the least amount of, and that's nails. Even though 2024 I did my nails a lot more, because I started using the Be Art box press-on nails. I really like these, whether it's regular nail glue, which is the Beauty Secrets nail glue. This is the nail glue that I recommend, or if you're using gel nail glue, and the one that I use is from Beetles. But this right here, it's very expensive on Amazon. I think it's like $24, but if you can get it in store from a Sally's, I would suggest you do so, because it's a lot cheaper. Stack up, rack up. As you guys can see, the cover is covered with stuff because I bring it everywhere, especially if I'm wearing press-ons and I'm scared that they're going to be lifting, or if I had them on for like 3-4 weeks and I feel like they're gonna pop off. I just stick this in my bag and I keep it pushing, because once I use this glue, they are on. I like the BRT nails because you can use them with regular glue, or you can use them with gel nail glue, and they will cure underneath a LED lamp, and they will cure just fine. So this is why I love the BRT nails. They are very user friendly also, and I feel like the BRT nail actually fit my nails. I feel like I have wide nail beds. My nails are very wide, and a lot of times I buy press-on, like these two middle fingers right here. It's hard for me to find press-on nails that actually fit them properly from sidewall to sidewall, and I feel like BRT gets the job done. Next thing I have is hair care, and I didn't really get into hair care a lot this year, but I feel like 2025 is going to be the year for hair care, because I'm back into doing my hair all the time. Miss Keep Her Hair Done, Miss Get Her Hair Done will be me for 2025. Favorite hair care products for 2024 is the TNG IN Moisture Rich Sulfur Free Shampoo and the TNG Triple Moisture Replenishing Concealer. These are the shampoo and concealer. These are the shampoo and condition that I use on my hair. These are the shampoo and condition I use on my kids' hair. This, if you have dry, brittle, unmoisturized hair, is great. This is also a black owned brand, so I love that for me. Then we're gonna go into another product where I only have one. So I bought this, I don't know if I would call it a lint roller, but it is a lint scraper. It is electric. You actually plug it in to charge it. Oh! As you can see, I've been using it. I use this to shave off lint and stuff off my kids' clothes and off my clothes. I feel like sometimes you wash your clothes and there forms those lint balls on your clothes, and I feel like once you get one of these and you scrape them off, your clothes look fresh, they look new, they look well put together. So this is also one of my favorites for 2024 that I bought is this steamer. So this steamer is for my cup, my menstrual cup. I like to use menstrual cups. I like to use menstrual disc. Those are my form of protection when I'm on my period, when I'm menstruating. I use this cup, and this is a black owned brand cup, and I got this from Amazon. This is a steamer. So basically you put water in the middle, you put your cup in it, you cover it, you plug it in, and you steam your cup, and that's how you clean and sanitize your cup. This is also great for if you have sex toys. So you have a small rose, or you have a vibrator or something, you can also sanitize your sex toys with this. I'm employing the girlies. Learn to sanitize your sexual items and your menstrual cups and discs properly. If you're not using antibacterial soap, get a sanitizer, or you can do both, because I do both. I use a antibacterial soap, and I go in and sanitize all my menstrual products, and also sometimes I go in and sanitize the toys. Since we're going in that direction, I'm gonna go hand in hand. This is the Cookie Wash All Natural Feminine Wash. This is from Star. I follow Star for a long time. She used to be on Chava's channel, and she has her own brand, and I always support her brand. My favorite thing this year is this all natural feminine wash because sometimes when I'm on my menstruation, or it's just after my menstruation, and I want to make sure I'm clean, I don't want any smells, I don't want any funk, I don't want any stink, I use this. Also, if you are a girly and you know you're gonna you're gonna get down nasty, and you feel like you're a little bit dry there, you need some moisture. It's not really giving what it needs to give. The moisture is not gushing, the moisture is not there. I feel like this definitely helped the girly down there be more wet. Maybe I'm thinking things, maybe it's just my mind, maybe I'm being delulu, but this is a travel size, and I've been trying it for all of 2024, and I feel like this definitely helps. So I am going to get the big bottle right before you do the honey. Gushing, okay, gushing. Splick splock. Don't say I never tell you anything, okay? And the next thing I have on here is two La Roche-Posay facial cleanser. And if you guys know me, know that I am a trial size girl. I don't like wasting my money. I have very sensitive skin, and a lot of things do not work for my skin. My skin in 2024 has been the best it has been all of my life, up until teenager to having kids to in my 20s. 2024 was my best skin year. A combination of skincare and birth control, my skin has been A1. But the La Roche-Posay cleanser, this is the purifying foaming cleanser. I absolutely love this. This is my everyday cleanser. This is what I use after I use my makeup remover, and I use this to clean my face. This is from, I use this all year round, honestly, but during the winter when I feel like my skin is a bit dry, or if I feel like I put a lot of drying products on my skin that week, I will go in with the hydrating gentle cleanser. I would definitely say do the travel size before you invest, because these are kind of pricey. I don't feel like they're super duper expensive. I feel like they're affordable to me. But definitely try these. Try the travel sizes and see if you like them. I absolutely love the purifying foam cleanser, and I love the hydrating cleanser. I have super duper sensitive skin, so these actually work for me, and I'm very happy. Very happy about it. And let's continue on face. The Adapalene gel. So I normally get pimples or on my period, if I'm stressing out, if I'm eating too much sugar, whatever the case may be. I have been using the Adapalene gel. I also use benzoyl peroxide, but in 2024 I switched over to the Adapalene gel, and this has helped my skin tremendously. Like literally 1 to 2 days of using this, pimple gone, and then I put a pimple patch over it, gone. The next acne treatment I use now is the sulfur, and this is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and clears and help prevent acne. If you have sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin, if you have a pimple on your skin, put this all over your face as a mask. Or if you feel like you have fungal acne, so acne beneath the skin, use sulfur. this is going to get rid of them. Even if you have regular acne, you can use this as a spot treatment on your face. That's what I do now. I used to use it all over my face as a face mask. Now I only use this to spot treat. I absolutely love this. Whoever came up with this did their big one. Go back to body care. This is a Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Salt Scrub Glow and Radiant with pure Epsom salt and citrus essential oils. This exfoliate and reveals smooth, soft skin. Honey, when I use this on my skin is supple. My skin is great. My skin is well exfoliated. My skin is everything. I don't need to say anymore. And this, I feel like, is gentle on your skin, but it does a good job exfoliating your skin. And the smell, when it says it smells like citrus, it definitely smells like citrus, honey. The next body care item, so I got this is the original sugar paste, and this is from Sugar Dough. This is from a black owned brand. I actually got the kit on Amazon for about $35, and I used this in December to do my waxing. So I did my full arms, I did my bikini area, and when I say my arm still doesn't have any hair, and it is January 21st, you can look underneath my arm, there is no hair underneath my arm. And I did my waxing from December 29th. That's about 3 full weeks of not having to shave or doing anything. Baby, I'm definitely a sugary girl now. If you're going to do a full Brazilian, please be very careful using sugar around the vagina area. If you get sugar into your vagina, then it can cause a yeast infection, bacterial vaginosis, stuff like that. It's going to mess up your vagina flora. So be careful if you're doing a full Brazilian. But as far as arm, bikini, legs, amazing. And I also have to put a disclaimer, I'm not a hairy girl, so I don't have to shave all the time, like shave every single week or every 2 weeks. I'm not a extremely hairy girl. I have hair, but not extremely hairy. So I don't know how it's going to do if you're extremely hairy. I definitely say try it. And it's also a black owned brand, you can't go wrong. As far as lotion, I have 2. So the EOS 24-hour moisture body. This smells absolutely amazing. I feel like this is more of a spring summer lotion because this don't give me moisture. If I want moisture, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty body butter, and that's more like my winter lotion. But as far as this, I feel like this smells amazing. It layers amazing with perfume, and if you want to smell delectable, delicious, amazing, put this on. Then the next thing is the Life Flow Magnesium Lotion, highly concentrated and unscented, effective for relief and relaxation. So if I'm giving babe a massage or he's having problems sleeping, I'll rub this all over him, give him a massage, and he'll be out like a light. I also sometimes use this on my kids, especially when I need them to go to sleep. When they're having problems going to sleep, I just moisturize their body with this and they are knocked the hell out. I need rest, and this helped me get rest. Both get rest because of their daddy and also because of my kids. I get rest. So definitely highly recommend. My favorite, absolute favorite perfume of 2024, as you can see, there is I think 2 or 3 use left. Like, this is my favorite perfume. I'm a Jimmy Choo girl through and through. When I say this is the best perfume ever, like, this is my #1 perfume. Love this. Shout out to Anika for getting me the big mama version of this. I'm gonna use this until there's no juice left, absolutely no juice. But this is my go-to perfume. This is my everyday perfume. This is my all seasons perfume. When I wear this People literally stop me to ask me what I'm wearing. Like I said, I wore this to school. It was a group project. I came out the class, passed my group project, I was leaving. The girl literally walked me out the school gate, almost to my car, to ask me what I was wearing. And I told her, Jimmy Choo, I want you, the original version. Amazing. And I forgot one skincare item. This is the Tower 28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I absolutely love this. I have sensitive skin. If I feel like my skin is flaring up, or if I feel like my kids' skin are flaring up, or they got a mosquito bite or something, I spray this on them, and I also spray this on my face. Also, if you have acne problems and you go to the gym and your skin, your back like get bumps, or your chest get bumps, or your face get bumps, if you're sweating and you're not cleaning up, I would suggest you use this. When I go to the gym, I spray this all over my face, all over my chest, and all over my back. Then I put on my gym clothes and I go about my business. I find that this has been preventing me from getting those heat or sweat bumps on my chest and those bumps on my back also, and I don't get any breakouts. So, or if I've been picking my skin, I have this nasty habit of picking my pimples. I spray this on it, and within like a few hours that pimple goes down. So this in conjunction with this, amazing. This in conjunction with this, and then the Adapine gel, amazing too. So as far as makeup, the last and final thing is the Certain Dry Prescription Protection 72 hours. I use this Certain Dry at night. So I had this problem where every time I would go to the gym, or anytime it would get hot, my armpits would just be flooded with sweat, and it will sweat through my clothes. You can see the sweat mark rings underneath my arm, and I was just over it. I was over it. So I saw another girl on here recommend this, and I picked it up because it was $5. And when I tell you, I use this at night, and when I use this, no sweat, especially if I'm at the gym, or if Florida is just super duper hot, or if I'm going to Jamaica. I take this with me because I don't want my sweat and no sweat rings underneath my arm and stuff like that, and I don't want to be smelling funky. So I use this at night though. So I use this underneath my arms, and then during the day I use a natural deodorant or a regular deodorant. It depends on how I'm feeling, depends on what my body is going through at that moment. Love, love, love the Certain Dry Prescription Strength. Love it for all my sweaty girlies. So the last and 5 section is foundation or makeup stuff, and the only new foundation that I tried on here is the House Labs Triclone Skin Tech foundation, and I got the shade 350. This is my summer shade. I actually cannot wear this right now, but I absolutely love this foundation. I think they put crack in here. I don't know what they put in here, but it must be crack, because this makes your skin look absolutely amazing. If you are a girl that don't like full coverage, and you want to shear this out, use a little bit just to put it all over your skin to even out your skin tone, amazing. If you're a full coverage girly and you want to use a full pump and you want flawless skin, amazing. I don't know what they put in this, but this is an amazing foundation. I think this has to be one of the best foundation I've tried in a very long time. And I used to be a foundation girly. I've tried so many foundation from the drugstore and from Sephora. Next thing from Sephora, I got the Danessa Marix Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. I have it in like 3 different colors. This right here, all throughout the summer, all throughout the winter, all throughout spring, if I just want to even out my skin tone and go about my business and still look cute, this is it. Absolutely amazing, absolutely gorgeous, everything. Love this for me. And then and I use this a lot of times too if I'm gonna do pictures or if I'm doing content, or same thing with this. I use this also for special occasions. And then around the summertime, if I need to go out and I want to get a nice skin, I can't stop raving about this L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation, and it's broad spectrum SPF 50. You know Florida is hot, you know the sun is always out, especially in the summertime, and I want to protect my skin. I can't rave about this foundation enough. Amazing. The next foundation I have is the Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is the Eavesdrop Blur Plus Smooth Tint Stick, and this is in shade 14, and it is a stick form. I normally have a lot of problems with Fenty foundation, and they normally turn up orange on me, but somehow this one works. I'm actually wearing it right now. It looks amazing on the skin. You can build it up, you can shear it down, you can use this Fenty skin and this foundation to get a full beat, and I absolutely love it. And then the next thing, the final thing, is the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Concealer. If you are a full coverage girly, you have under eye bags, darkness, any of that stuff, this is going to be your best friend. I have this in multiple colors. Sometimes I want it to be super light, sometimes I want it to be my skin tone, because I'm just putting on a little something, but this, amazing. Next, last and final product is my Juvia's Place bronzer. As you guys can see, I have this in 2 different shades. This is my summer shade and this is my winter shade. I love these. Black owned brand, kind of controversial, the owner, anyways. And then I also have the Juvia's Place brush, and this is in volume 1, and this right here is my favorite blush. As you guys can see, it's digged out. I use it all the time. So that is my wrap up for favorite things of 2024. I have to mention my Teflar bag. I got my Teflar medium size bag in 2024, and that is my everyday bag. I've been taking that bag to school. That has been my everyday bag. It holds my computer. I travel with that bag. I've literally got my $250 worth of wear out of that bag. My cost per wear for 2024, I got it. As far as shoes or clothes is concerned, I think my glittery shoes from Shein is definitely one of my favorite, and then I got a black dress from Shein, love it. My long maxi skirts from Shein, love those. I think those are the standout as far as clothing items for me personally. So I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. So that will be wrapping up my favorite things of 2024. And as we're on skincare and body care, I think I just got a message. I guess I'll be using this in a little while. Let me hurry up.